bakit sasabihin ni Sen. Aimee, bakit sasabihin ni Cheesy na hindi priority ang impeachment? How can you say it's not a priority when every single day that VP Sara still sits as the Vice President, she is a breath away from becoming the president. God forbid something happens to the president. She could become president at any minute. This mentally unbalanced and, just very vindictive person could become the president. And like she said, God save the Philippines. God save the Philippines from you, VP Sara, from you and the Duterte family. Kaya, yes, I believe the impeachment process should proceed as soon as possible. I really think it should be a priority. Diba?